Hi and welcome to my channel, Come with Debbie. If you're new here, my name is Debbie, and if you're a regular, welcome back my lovelies. Thank you for tuning in again. Right, now, are you going on a P&O cruise and have you got those luggage labels printed off and you're thinking, oh, what on earth do I do with them? How on earth do I fold them? Well, I am here to show you how to fold those P&O luggage labels. Now, luggage label. You've printed it off, so you fold it over and you fold section A first. Like so, neatly as you can, don't worry if it's not that neat. And then you find the section B, which is a really wide section, and you fold that over like so. And then you have your coloured bit and the bit with all your private information on. Now, you fold that over on the line. My lines are a bit uneven here, so you have to bear with me. Something went doolally on my printer, but that's good enough. Right, so there you have your coloured bit, and there you have all your private information. And then what you need to do is you keep your private information on the inside and you fold over. So, oh gosh, I can't fold it in half. That's it, fold it in half. So then you can see your cabin number, your cruise number, and that number. And there you have your folded luggage label. But what I highly recommend is you get one of these, which you can purchase from Amazon, Temu. I got these from Temu and they are fantastic. They're the best investment I've ever bought. And you just unscrew this bit and attach it onto your handle, luggage handle, and then you just pop it in there like so, and it's all waterproof, sealed in, and doesn't come off at all because they're so strong. They're absolutely amazing, so I highly recommend these plastic covers. But if not, some people just wrap this.
Deborah. These plastic covers are great for keeping items secure and dry. They fit tightly and stay in place well. If they don't suit your needs, there are other options available to explore on Amazon.
Like she says. If not, otherwise you can just wrap this around your luggage label your luggage handle like so, and sellotape it around. I mean, if I was you, I would sellotape the whole lot to keep it secure. Or if you don't want to sellotape them, you can staple them because it actually has staple pictures there. And that's pretty secure as well. But these I highly recommend. So there we go. Luggage labels explained. So I hope this video was very useful to you. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them in the comments box below. And don't forget now to subscribe. I'll be really grateful. And if you've already subscribed, thank you very much. It helps me immensely. And also, don't forget now to hit that like button and notifications bell so you don't miss another one of my up and coming videos. And you can also find me on Instagram and Cameo at Come with Debbie. So take care now, my lovelies. Thank you for tuning in again. Bye.